Hello, friends. I'm glad you're still with me as I continue my story. Let me quickly recap the previous episodes. In Izmail, we witnessed the dramatic bombing of the port infrastructure by Russian drones, a sight not for the faint-hearted. Despite this, we loaded a cargo of rapeseed and moved to the inner Anchorage.
Full ahead.
During this time, my beloved wife visited my ship, bringing me joy amidst the chaos. Afterward, we spent 3 weeks at the Anchorage near the port of Tulcea before heading to Constanța for unloading. And as usual, when we had spare time, we turned to our favorite pastime, fishing. All the details of this thrilling fishing adventure are coming up next. Sunset arrival in Anchorage as we approach the Anchorage in Constanța.
Meet us in Constanța.
The sky treated us to a breathtaking sunset, with hues of orange and purple reflecting off the calm waters. Soon we dropped anchor. Marking the start of some well-earned relaxation and, of course, the usual shipboard duties and watch rotations. But after a day, our focus shifted to the activity that brings us all the most excitement, fishing. Fishing in Constanța, the main catch at the Anchorage was horse mackerel, which we targeted using sabiki rigs. Occasionally,
Офигеть. 4 pieces.
we landed another species called gallish, adding variety to our haul. The thrill of fishing was palpable, with lines flying and laughter echoing as we competed to catch the most, while most of us were content reeling in horse mackerel.
Прикольно, еще такого не ловили.
My bottom rig suddenly snagged on something much larger. The line pulled tight, and I could feel the strength of a significant fish. For a brief, heart-pounding moment, I battled with the creature beneath the waves, but unfortunately, it escaped before I could catch a glimpse. The big catch determined not to lose the next one. I upgraded my rig to a sturdier setup. This time, when another large fish struck, I was ready. After an intense struggle, I finally pulled in a large stingray, a magnificent and unexpected catch. Its sheer size and unique appearance left everyone on deck in awe. Meanwhile, the rest of the crew focused on catching horse mackerel.
Trying to catch the fish here. The Black Sea.
Enjoying the friendly competition. Fried horse mackerel, I must say, is one of the most delicious dishes. Simple yet absolutely satisfying. A quick guide to catching horse mackerel if you're ever at anchor near Constanța and want to try your luck with horse mackerel, here's a short guide. Gear. Use a sabiki rig with small hooks. These rigs are perfect for catching multiple fish at once.
It's got 2 pieces. Also,
Bait. No bait is usually needed since sabiki rigs come with shiny lures, but you can add small pieces of squid or fish for extra attraction.
1, 2, 3, 4. My friends, 4 pieces.
И полет, это я им даю полет, у меня такая скидка, бесплатный полет.
Technique. Drop your line to the desired depth. Horse mackerel often swim in schools at midwater. Jig the rod gently to mimic the movement of small prey. Be ready to reel in quickly once you feel a bite. Cooking tip. Fry the fish with a simple seasoning of salt, pepper, and lemon juice. It's a dish that will have you coming back for seconds. Fishing on the Constanța Anchorage was an adventure filled with camaraderie, competition, and culinary delights. These moments of joy and relaxation amidst the challenges of life at sea are what make it all worthwhile. Stay tuned for the next chapter, where I'll share more stories of our adventures on the high seas.